Challenge to get that going today. It's pretty damp. I use those homemade egg carton wax things. They work pretty good with a little bit of sap mixed in. You can see one in there. Two smokies coming up. Beautiful day though. We're just behind some big trees. She's cool. So yeah, that's taken off nicely actually. Here's your typical Canadian survival kit. We got the smoky stick, Cheetos, mustard, tiny bit of Bailey's, couple smokies, bread with cheese on it, and that'll do ya. And heat. Yeah, that took off quite nicely actually. Anybody else like me, I always get my bread ready first, so you're not scrambling. Nobody likes a scrambler. Nobody likes a guy without a knife either. I have to get creative. I'm not sure what wood that is. I think it's birch. I'm not totally sure. It makes smokies taste really good. So do Cheetos. Extremely good for you. Bring you guys in a little closer. Not exactly a raging fire, but it'll cook them. The key to good smokies in Canada is rotate them a lot, like a lot. They come out better than you've ever had. Definitely found the white stuff.